Avenue number 1 railroad crossing. And like I said, this equipment is rare. Can't find those a lot anymore. Anyway, this is the Safe Trend base with the Renko cantilever. I'm not going to cross the street again. So I believe the signal is the same. And the lights are all Safe Trend LEDs with the fitted Western Colon Haze LEDs in them, as you can see. And here's the closer overhead light view. Kind of windy. We had a really big wind the other day. See here? Too bright, I can see from the sun. Anyway, we have a Safe Trend base, Safe Trend gate mechanism, and those are all NEG gate lights. All pairs. I can't tell if they're all NEG, so yeah. I don't want to cross the street again. Like I said, the signal could be the same. And dot number is 596960W. Here's the railway case. This way leads down to the Union Pacific Yard, Oklahoma City. This way leads down to the El Reno Yard. Over and out, we're done.